Okay, I wanted to add a little something to what was going on in that video. I've taken this point, we'll call this point A, and I've rotated it 90 degrees. Now in Khan Academy, this rotation in this direction is positive, and the rotation in this direction is negative, which might be counterintuitive to you right now. But just be wary of that when you're working on the tracks. So I'm going to rotate this point 90 degrees, and he does it by drawing lines and saying, well, look, that looks like a 90-degree angle. There's another way of doing this. To get to point A, I am going to go over, 6 and up 3. Now what I'll do is I will rotate that movement 90 degrees, put a 90-degree angle between what I did and what I'm going to do. So my first movement was 6 and then 3. So if my first movement here is 6 and then 3, I will have rotated that point 90 degrees. So I know my line's not very straight there. Still getting used to doing this. So I went over. My first movement was 6 and my next movement was 3. So I'm going to rotate that movement 90 degrees, and instead of heading this direction first, I'm going to head this direction, and I will go up 6 and over 3, and that's going to be considered in Khan Academy to be a positive 90-degree movement. If I wanted to do a negative 90 degrees, I would rotate it my 90-degree angle down here. I would go this way with it. So I just wanted to make that note. That might make it easier to visualize some of these rotations.